Hey man, just giving you a quick call. I just wanted to let you know that you are so close, dude. You're so much closer than you think. A lot of these big goals that we've had and these big aspirations, they're right around the corner for you, dude. So you just cannot give up. So stoked for you to see this. P.S. We bought a Lambo, so keep going, bro. We'll talk soon. Peace.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Bryson. This is the Bryson Everyday Project podcast. This podcast is a little bit different than other ones out there. Here, I only focus on documentation. I don't focus on quality or being professional or being entertaining. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I'd love for you to stick around and give the show a listen. You can also follow me on Instagram at BRQUSE. Thank you so much. Here's the show. All right, what's going on? Today is Tuesday, October 21st. 2025, 9:25 p.m. as I record this. And I just actually uploaded 4 shows, just barely. So a little behind, but now we're caught up. So thank goodness. I hate when that shit just lingers over my head. But yeah, we're caught up now, so I'm going to have to upload yet another one tonight. I actually set it for 10, 11, 12, and 1. And then this show will be uploaded tomorrow at 2. So every hour on the hour for the next 5 hours, there will be a show uploaded. As if you'll know. As if you'll give a shit. Because by the time you hear this, it'll all be past, but whatever. Made a shitload of progress today on everything that I'm working on. It's a very good feeling. And today was one of those days where I felt like I earned the right to just kind of hang out a little bit. Kind of. I just got so much done. It was great. I did a full body workout at the gym, and then I ran 2 miles. I just wanted to time myself, see how fast I could do 2 miles. So I got 1 mile in 10 minutes, 35 seconds, and then second mile included a lot more walking, but the second mile total was total combined was 22:31, I believe, or 22:31. So compared to Lexi, because it's kind of like what I just want to get to that level so that we can run together. That really is a massive motive for me. If I can get to that pace and then maintain that pace, I would be ecstatic to be able to do this with her. So I do think it'd be cool to, in the future, run a marathon or run a half marathon, whatever. I think that'd be cool. But, I'm like day 4 lifting right now, wondering where the bicep veins are, but I just started lifting, so can't expect things to come like that, but it's all good. It's actually been pretty enjoyable. It's a little challenge, a new challenge. It's not a little challenge, it's a big one. It's a new challenge for me to push myself cardiovascularly. That's how you say that. So made a lot of progress. I just was designing the dashboard that the clients will be using. And I've actually just started just going through everything, just designing pages and then putting little placeholders of things that I need to go back and fill in when it's the time, such as images and links and things like that. So when I'm done with everything, I'll just go back through every page, make sure everything's set up, and just copy paste. So it'll be pretty simple. I'm getting really close to finishing this. It's really exciting. And I'm just glad that I'm excited to just have it done to where, if any updates or changes or whatever, they go onto the new version. So I can start selling something, it's exciting. It's very exciting. So very close to that. What else happened today? Started carving pumpkins with Lexi. So we carved the top and then got the guts out, but we didn't have time to do anything else. It's getting kind of late. It was getting kind of late, so we decided to wrap up shop. I think that I might have gotten sick because I think I have a head cold right now. You can't tell. I mean, I sound great, but I'm extremely achy, and I just have a headache, and I'm very tired, and I just, I can mitigate, that ache by just moving my joints, and it's everywhere. So I don't know. So here's the thing. I did a full body workout today. It was mainly multi-joint movements, so it was a lot of, high demand, very demanding workouts, exercises. And then I also ran 2 miles, and I put the speed at 9 for a moment and then 8 for a moment. And I did a good amount at 7, and then the rest was at 6 and 5. And then I walked. Oh, that's an alarm for me to remind me to do something. Hey Siri, remind me tomorrow at 7 a.m. to adjust Jamaica's time.
Okay, I added it.
Wait, Siri, set an alarm for tomorrow 7 a.m. and call it adjust Jamaica's time.
All right, I changed it.
Siri, set an alarm for tomorrow at 7 a.m. and call it adjust Jamaica's time.
Done.
There we go. Reminders, fuck all that shit. Give me an alarm that goes off. All right, yeah, I just don't want to do that right now. I'm not feeling the greatest, and I'd like to go to bed. But yeah, I think maybe all the demanding work that I did at the gym, maybe that's why I'm feeling kind of shitty. I don't know if it's because I was running and I was just breathing so heavily. But regardless, I hope that I'm not sick, and if I am, then it is what it is. I think it's much better that I'm sick now because I work from home, so it's not like I have to go out and about and do all that shit, because yeah, I can still work and I'm good. So that's pretty cool. I think that's it. I'm just working on some stuff for Trey, some automations, and it's tricky because what he asked for is the simplest thing in the world, but how you actually do it is so tricky. So when somebody signs up through Stripe and they make a payment, then send an email to the client with a welcome email. That's the automation. So if somebody buys, we send an email. That's it. But the problem is that I can't just say anytime somebody makes a payment, because he's got hundreds of clients that are making payments. So I can't just send a welcome email. So it has to be clients that are brand new. Well, how do I filter a brand new client? Because sometimes it's a one-off payment. Sometimes it's a subscription. Sometimes it's more than one payment. So how does the filter work for that? I don't know. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. And I've noticed that when using AI and things like that, with Make and Zapier and things of that sort, it's just not accurate. It's in the ballpark, but it's not accurate. And the help that I've found to be the most useful is when I post in the communities and people respond to those. It seems to be the most helpful thing. You'd think that these AIs would be trained off of the forums, It's a great spot to train some AI. Just say, hey, this is the forum. Everything in here goes. Learn this, and then, boom, there you go. So whatever. Let's see. What's crazy is I felt like I worked so much today, but if you look at the time, I only worked about 7 hours, which is crazy. It looks like it was, maybe I didn't, 6:35 to 8:31, and then to 9:13 to 2 p.m. I worked when I got home, but I guess I forgot to log in. Or wait, did I? Yeah, it wasn't a ton though, so I don't know. I just discovered you can adjust column width and length and shit on iPad. Didn't know you could do that. Very cool. There's some kind of bug going on with Notion on my iPad where I can't touch the bottom half of the screen. It doesn't work. Like, I can't click. It's really weird, but I can I don't know. It's very weird. Something's going on. And I think it's just Notion. It's just Notion. That's so weird. But yeah, I don't think there's much else. Yeah, Mina paid me, but it's not going through, so I'm going to wait and see if I get anything, and if I don't, then I'll have to message him and tell him to cancel something. I don't know. To see how that goes. Kind of shitty. What else? Is that it? I guess that's it. I don't have much else to say, so appreciate you guys listening. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.